Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best NEET coaching in your city Amritsar? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city Amritsar. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy ranks number 1 in top coaching provider for NEET medical entrance examinations preparation. Toppers Academy is one of the leading academy for NEET preparation in India. With the faculty of online lectures, expertise skills and top faculty management, the Toppers Academy has set a milestone and has helped the aspirants to reach great heights. Okay, now let us talk about the features of Toppers Academy. The very first is updated study material. Number 2, interactive live classes. Next in the list is educational psychologist. Number 4 is recorded video lectures. Then they have free booklets. Next is doubt clearing classes, test series, and finally they provide you with the class notes. Okay, you can connect to the Toppers Academy on this number, that is 07827 048964, and the email ID of the institute is info@toppersacademy.app.
At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone arranges demos of the preferred coachings by the students. Their investment is precious to you as well as to them. You will be assigned with a mentor for the whole year who will guide you the approach towards examination. Also, in choosing right study material, evaluation of test series, or any other doubt you want to discuss, you can do that freely. They will assure you to take the right path and help you in reaching your goal. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. Many students are in mere confusion about where to invest, which will be the best academies for them, where they will get the exact quality of education they are looking for. So, the Hindu Zone provides completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone listen to the requirements of the students, their area of concerns, and then the expert mentors advise them the top institutes according to their need.
Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Academy of Medical Science. The address of Academy of Medical Science includes 7C opposite Amritsar TB Hospital, St. Ave, Amritsar, Punjab 143001. Their contact number is 07837536346 and another number is 8447874386. The website of the institute is www.damsdelhi.com and their email ID is info@damsdelhi.com. Now let us talk about the fee structure and about the institute. The medical course fee for the normal 1 year is approximately above rupees 1,20,000. So basically, DAMS is considered as the number 1 institute for the PG medical entrance examinations, but in our list it is considered as number 3, and the reason being, this institute provides courses which are designed by respective field members. The institute was published by Dr. Sumar Sethi, which has 16 years of experience in medical science. The faculties here are the faculty members who are experts and authors of popular books. Also, study material is provided for the students from the institute, and sessions like MCQ answers are held for the students for keeping their mind to think. Tests and discussions are kept among the students, and nationwide presence and all India ranking of the tests are also given. The faculty members in DAMS are specialists in MCQ questions and thus training the students completely for their entrance examinations. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have Akash Institute, that is Akash Educational Services Limited. The address of this institute is SCO number 11, first and second floor District Shopping Complex, B Block, Ranjit Avenue, Amritsar 143001. Their contact numbers are 0183, which is the code of the state, 3945454 and 5051029/33. The website of the institute is www.akash.ac.in and their email ID includes medical@aesl.in. So friends, the fee structure of the institute is like the medical course fee in this institute for normal 1 year is approximately above rupees 1,70,000. Now let us talk about the institute. The faculty members are highly qualified and have more years of experience in the medical field. They maintain an optimal student-faculty ratio so that they can provide equal education to every student. The faculty members make sure that every student attend their class without missing the lessons, and the institute has provided the best results in previous years as well. Further, study materials are being distributed by the faculty, which covers the whole syllabus, which is recommended by the institute exclusively, and materials are provided with the question banks to revise the last year questions. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is Dashmesh Academy. The address of Dashmesh Academy includes 4991/14 Joshipura, Guru Arjan Dev Nagar, and the pin code is 143002. Their contact number is 9876643060, and the website of the institute includes www.dashmeshacademy.com. Their email ID is attainwithda@gmail.com, and the fee structure is approximately above rupees 72,000, and this is for a normal course of 1 year. Now let us talk about the institute. Dashmesh Academy was founded in the year 1996, and since then, the main motive of this institute is to offer the best education to the students from all over the world. The students who have studied in this institute have scored top ranks in NEET entrance examinations too. The institute has separate hostels for both girls and boys, so students can come from distant places as well and take up their education in the institute. Also, they provide cash courses in the institute, like this course for the students who are going to take up NEET entrance examinations, and subjects like physics, chemistry, biology are handled in the course by the staff members. So you can also take up crash courses in the institute. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city, Amritsar. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.